Welcome to iBoysoft channel. Now let's fix external drive grayout in disk utility. Whether on the left or the top button. The first priority is to recover data ASAP. It's highly recommended to use iBoysoft Data Recovery for Mac. Choose the drive on the left, click Search for lost data. After scanning, preview files and choose Wanted Files, then click Recover. For fixing, the first way is mounting the drive manually. You can click Unmount and mount the drive in disk utility. The fix 2 is update your drive. Choose App Store or official website to do. Then repair the disk with first aid in disk utility. The fix 4 is reformat the drive in disk utility. Click Erase, then choose the suited sets. The next one is checking the file system. View it in disk utility. If it is unavailable, Mac can't write it. You'd better use a unavailable driver on Mac, like iBoysoft. Connect the drive and open this tool. You can mount it normally. Check the selecting one is drive, not the volume. The last one is Reformat drive in macOS recovery mode. Open the mode and choose disk utility, then erase.